One of the properties that you can specify for a document is a subject. You can then use a field code to insert this subject dynamically into your document. This quick tip explains how to do this. Word allows you to keep track of all sorts of properties for a document. You can see and change the properties by clicking on the File tab of the ribbon and then choosing Info at the left side of the screen. Now, over under Properties, you can choose to look at Advanced Properties. Notice that one of the properties that you can use is the Subject property. This comes in real handy if your company or school defines standard subject categories for documents and you need to keep track of which category applies to your document. Even though I really have nothing in this document, let's say that it's going to be a budget analysis. I can add, for instance, the word budget as the subject. I just have to click within the subject area here, and then I can type in what I want that category to be, and then when I click on OK, I'm back to the information screen on my document, and I can return to the document itself by clicking the back arrow right up here. As I already said, this document has nothing within it yet. When I'm done creating the document, however, I may want to insert the subject within the text of the document itself. All I need to do is position the insertion point where I want that subject to be reflected. Then I'm going over to the Insert tab of the ribbon, and then I'm coming over to Quick Parts at the right side of the screen. I click on that, and I can choose to insert a field. In the Categories list, at the left side of the screen, I'm going to choose Document Information, and then the actual field name is that I'm going to choose Subject right down here. And all I have to do then is click on OK, and my subject is now within this document. Now, you may wonder why you would go through the trouble of setting the subject in the document properties if you could simply type the subject here. Well, the reason is because you may need to note the subject in multiple places throughout your document. And if you later need to change the subject, all you need to do is change it in the document properties, and it's updated by Word every place that the field is used in the document. This approach provides a dynamic method of updating the subject and making sure it is consistently used throughout your document. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please click like, then the subscribe button, and finally the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the Word Tips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.